Hello friends. Now before starting exercise 13.4 we learn about some shape like frustum of cone. Is a similar, suppose here our concept. Now we can take for example किचन में से जो हम पानी पीने का जो ग्लास होता है वो भी इस तरह से होता है. अपर डायमीटर एंड लोअर डायमीटर is a small diameter. It means both have different radius like R1 and R2. So हम जो पानी पीते हैं वो ग्लास में उसका शेप इस तरह से होता है. जो डाउन पार्ट से स्मॉल डायमीटर रेडियस होगी, स्मॉल सर्कल होगा. अपर पार्ट में से जो हम क्लोज अपर ओपन अपर पार्ट है वो इस तरह से होगा. तो उसको क्या बोल सकते हैं हम? फ्रस्टम ऑफ cone. It means when cut into this shape, it means cone can be cut by this side. So here circle created and this shape is known as a frustum of cone. This is a considered as a height and this is a slant height, radius and edge. What is different between here cone and frustum of cone? So cone can be cut in middle or any part, so converted into frustum of cone having two diameters. So here three equation can be learned. So first equation is volume of the frustum of cone, or important topic, ask question in board exam in this topic. So frustum of cone is equal to, now what is equation of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So using this equation same 1 by 3 pi h as it is. Now in value of r, here only one radius for cone, frustum of cone here two radius, therefore in place of r, r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Remember this equation, volume of frustum of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h, but r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r. Now next, curved surface area of frustum of cone. Curved surface area of frustum of cone. So in similar way here cone we using pi r l. So in frustum of cone pi and l are as it is, but the in place of r1 and r2, so in place of we can addition of r1 and r2. This is a curved surface area of frustum of cone. Now total surface area of which frustum of cone. Frustum of cone is equal to same equation pi l r1 plus r2. Total surface, it means both count circle here, first circle and second circle, both circle can be counted. So area of circle pi r square, but here two radius, therefore pi r1 square pi r2 square. Now for cone another equation is L square is equal to h square plus r square. So in place L square is equal to h square plus r1 minus r2 whole square, where r1 is bigger than r2. It means big radius minus small radius, answer square is given L square. So using this equation we have to solve exercise 13.4. First question of this exercise, we have drinking glass in a shape of frustum of cone, given height, which glass? Drinking, when we can use water, drink, etc. use for this purpose. Drinking glass height, I mean glass shape, it means this shape, so frustum of cone. So drinking glass is a frustum of cone shape. For drinking glass, which shape? Frustum of cone. Height is considered as h, given 14 centimeter. Now the diameter of two circular ends, so one is considered as a r1, another is considered as a r2. Big diameter are given 4 divided by 2, therefore 2 centimeter, and another diameter are given 2 centimeter, Therefore 2 divided by 2, it means 1 centimeter. 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter, 2 radius. Find the capacity of glass. Capacity of glass. So in exercise 12, 13.2 and 13.3, surface area means what? So area covered by this topic. Area, it means only this borderline is considered as a surface area of this notebook. But volume, it means how can you this amount, all white portion can be see here, is considered as a volume of this object. So in similar way here, for another example, लाइक आपके पास जो बॉटल होगी, सो बॉटल की जो बॉर्डर है वो क्या इंडिकेट करती है? सरफेस एरिया. एंड बॉटल में आप कितना पानी भर सकते हो, कितना लिक्विड फिलअप कर सकते हो, तो वो जो इंडिकेट कर रहा है मेजरमेंट, वो आपका वॉल्यूम है. तो यहाँ पे पूछा गया है आपको कैपेसिटी ऑफ ग्लास. कैपेसिटी ऑफ ग्लास मीन्स व्हाट? वॉल्यूम ऑफ फ्रस्टम ऑफ कॉन, वॉल्यूम ऑफ ग्लास, volume of glass. So which shape of glass? Frustum of cone. Therefore 1 by 3 pi r square h. But in place of r, r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Put all value 1 by 3, 22 by 7 into h. H means 14, r1 2 square 1 square plus 2 into 1. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14 multiply by 2 plus 1 plus 2. 2 plus 1 plus 2. Answer is 5. 1 by 3, 22 by 7, 14 multiply by 5. After simplification, you get answer in 308 divided by 3. In the mixed fraction, we have to also written down 102 into 2. What is 102 into 2? Is equal to 106 plus 2. Suppose 11 by 2. So for example 11 by 2. So written down in mixed fraction. So division is 3. 5 into 2, 10 plus 1. It means 5 into 2, 10 plus 1, 11 divided by 2. Or in similar way here written down 308 divided by 3, it means 102 into 3, 106 plus 2, 108 centimeters. Mixed fraction answer, and here's a rational number. It means P by Q form answer. So question number 2, the slant height of frustum of cone, it means slant height of frustum of cone are given. So second question in homework, hint can be given here. Perimeters of circular end. Perimeter, it means what? Perimeter is known as circumference of circles. Have one is given 18 centimeter, 6 in given 6 centimeter. Perimeter means 2 pi r is known as perimeters. Now find the surface area of frustum of cone. So what is equation of surface area? Pi L r1 plus r2. Now this can be considered after bracket open, pi bracket open, what we do? Pi L r1 plus pi L r2. Now here value of 2 pi r, it means multiply and divide by 2. So both bracket multiply 2 pi r1 and L can be side. So and divide by 2. Here is this type of. Now 2 pi r2 value. Therefore L and this L and 2. Here multiply by 2 and divide by 2. In similar way here multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Equation will be same. Suppose phi equal to 5. So this term multiply by 2 divide by 2. This multiply and divide by 2. Cancel out. So answer will be same. So here same question. Divide and multiply by 2. यहाँ पे हमने 2 से डिवाइड किया और मल्टीप्लाई किया. उसका रीजन क्या है? तो हमें जो वैल्यू दी गई है वो सर्कमफरेंस दिया है. और सर्कमफरेंस मीन्स क्या? 2 पाई r. सो दिस वैल्यू को ई वैल्यू को हमने कंसीडर और कन्वर्ट कर दिया है सर्कमफरेंस में. इट मीन 2 पाई r1. सो दिस इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस वी कैन डायरेक्ट यूज 18 and this place of use you can direct use 6 and L by 2 are common. Therefore L by 2 common. in this part 18 and 6. So 18 plus 6 what? L means 4 divided by 2 into 18 plus 6. 18 plus 6 it means 24. 12 into 4 48. So you this only hint you can written down by proper sentence and all theory, given data and sentence. Only understanding here, only hint you can written in notebooks by perfect arrangement and step by step. Thank you friends.